deal with buttheads like you. Thanks a lot, maggot stain.
Dude.
Your mama wears toe sack jammies.
Dad, he's recording. Show some respect.
What's wrong with toe sack shoes?
It was weird.
Hey, dude.
You left in my brother's view of the tray, so move your fake rear.
Oh, please.
Said don't drink and drive. How about people who just can't drive? You know, you can go up a little farther. Hello.
Hey, there's someone ahead of him.
It don't matter. Where are these people going to go other than left? They can't go right yet. 10 to 1, this person is going the same direction I'm going when he gets across this track. What you want to bet?
What are the odds?
Right now, very good. Put a month's wages on it. Make you a rich man. One of the mayor's yuppie pond scum friends.
Never mind.
I'm just saying that, Rob. I have no idea if he even knows who the mayor is.
Norm Archibald.
Norman Golnick.
So why doesn't Stinky Steve run for mayor?
No, that man's a lion.
What better person to get rid of the trash in this city than somebody who cleans sewers for a living? He knows how to get rid of the pond scum.
Oh, Lord.
Well, what you creeping up there now for, huh? You know when the end of the train is coming when you see the last car.
Yeah.
Hello?
Comes.
Who?
If it ever comes.
Oh, it does eventually. I mean, these trains can't go on forever and ever.
Sometimes it sure feels like they are.
I hear another locomotive.
Okay, better not come right after this because we gotta cross this track.
She's slowing down.
Wonder if it has some red signal or a yellow up ahead.
I can't tell. You can tell right there with that one right there, but I can't see it.
Yeah.
Then again, he was already going slow anyway, so he may have some stuff on his train. I mean, they can do 60 through town, I think. Doesn't mean, yep, I hear some brakes.
They better not block us.
They can't. There's a side track over there that they have to get off of. There's another train coming. Here's the end.
Okay, other locomotive, please wait until we cross the track.
It will, because that other train, if it's up there, it's stopped. It has to get running first. Besides that, he's just before the sensor, so. Now you can scooch on up there, Bubble Butt.
Bubblegum butt.
Mr. Don't Drink and Drive. Can't drive anyway.
That train is slowing to a crawl.
I can't tell. There's a cover on that light. Does it look like he's swerving to the side track?
I didn't see it.